Okay, here I am. Hello guys, it's Victor at Nagoya Station, and this is a 17th Typhoon. I'm just gonna record myself going around Nagoya Station and recording what I see. 今名古屋駅ですね。今から名古屋駅を自転車で回って何があるかちょっと見てみる。Record myself and see what's happening around the station. Wearing this GoPro camera on my head. Mama chari there, with this mama chari. I hope this works. じゃあ行ってみよう。名古屋駅、yay! Okay. 人もいないね。Not many people out. But the taxis are busy. The taxi がすごく忙しいね。今渡れるかな。今ちょうどいい。Perfect for crossing the street now. This is the 17th typhoon of the season. They name their hurricanes, typhoons here by numbers. Oh, see what? Oh. My God, the wind is strong. Let's cross over here. Not so terrible. People waiting for taxis along the taxi line. Taxi 待ってる人がいっぱいいるね。あ、すごい。人が多いけどね。混んでるけど。Well, pretty strong wind. Wow. People getting out of the taxis are pretty shocked. タクシーから降りる人が結構ショック。車からの人が結構全然見てないし。They don't even look. There's the Koban. Okay, let's see. Oh, shingo. Oh, man, the wind is really strong. Let's see if my light is still blinking. Yeah, my light is still blinking. Okay, good. The wind is amazing. Very difficult to bicycle. 自転車を漕ぐのはちょっと難しい。なんか免除だよ。Okay. People are waiting there. There's Nana-chan. Nana-chan is the famous doll of Nagoya. Looks like an alien, doesn't it? Superior being. There's an alien みたいだね。Nana-chan. Nana-chan は Yay, Nana-chan, okay. 今一番強いってテレビで言ってるけどね。そうかな。There we go. 全然見えないメガネが。こっちの方はこれは名古屋駅の面。今から名古屋駅の後ろに来ます。I'm going to the rear end of Nagoya Station, or the back end. Back door man! And you'll see what kind of action is happening there. We're going under the Shinkansen tracks, the bullet train tracks. 今、Shinkansenの下にいる。この辺、あ、山ちゃん山ちゃん大好きです。山ちゃん美味しいです。山ちゃん。Let's see. こっちに行くと、何があるかな I wonder what's over here. Here's a police station. 中村警察署。Oh my god, windy. Oh god. Check my reflection. Let's see if the light's still blinking. Yep. Oh, the wind is so strong. 風がほとんど難しい。It's difficult to move. Here's some izakayas there. I like the izakayas. Oh, この辺人間いないね。Nobody's around here. My God. Barely move. This should be good. Pretty tough. Let's see what's happening here. Oh, that was hard. じゃあ今名古屋駅にいるんだ。Okay. でこっちの方は何があるかな I wonder what's on this side. There's some NHK people. Yep. 普通はこの辺みんな待ってるね。People are usually waiting around here for their rides or machiawase, waiting for friends. Just waiting for friends. Now, this is all empty, of course. It's miserable. Well, I often go over here. This is pretty crowded over here. This is big camera. Big camera. Big electronic server. Pretty damn crowded. There's a big camera. There I am. Lights still flashing? Lights still flashing. Okay, let's go. Oh my God! How many people though? Completely soaked, of course. This has nothing to do but go home. It's even Irish tonight. high school kids coming back from band practice. I heard a lot of dirty stuff happens at band practice. I'm just gonna go home. See if I can get home. Through this amazing rain. There's a wedding here tonight. I guess having a wedding. I heard if it rains, you get married. It's good luck. 雨が降ると運がいいって聞いた。結婚式のことな。Oh my gosh. This is really bad. Miserable. I barely move here. Pajama-chan. Completely soaked. And Yoshinoya is completely empty. Yep. The food's good and cheap. Not that good. Not that cheap, I guess. I'm drinking the rain. Honestly. It's raining so much, I'm actually just opening my mouth and drinking. 空気から水飲んでる。